Hi, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I had to come on to share this with you today because I was quite surprised as to what I found. I'm a bit sort of confused as to how it happened, but hey ho, I'm not complaining. I think it is a joyous moment, to be quite honest, and I just wanted to share it with you. First of all, I wanted to stuff my 12 months of challenges, December, which is the last one. Last week, remember, I started it. I put the first £20 in because all of the icons are, well, the big icon is £20 and the small ones are £5 each. So each week I put £15 on each row. Right. I had some side hustle money and I thought, okay, what I'm going to do is just finish this one off and call it a day. So I went in to do it, but a mind said to me, just have a quick check and see what is in the envelope. So I've been putting all the money in here once I have completed it all. Let's get these out and show you. Oops, it's a bit tight, we'll get there. Okay, so that's that. So we've got, I've got a bit of glue. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December, and each of them completed is £65. So 65 times that by 12 is £780. But when I counted it all up, there was £780 in there already. I need you to witness this because I'm giving thanks all the same. I am not complaining, trust me. I am going to count this money right now. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 'I'm just making sure it's all in frame. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 700. Oh, let's put that there so you can see it. Yeah, we can see, yep. 700, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now I know that I used to pop in there now and again for change, because I used quite a lot of £5 notes, so I would always, you know, change up. Hence I've ended up with just the 10s and 20s and no 5s, because remember, these are all 15, so I've been using 5s, 45s in there. So there's £780 here. I am not going to question anything. I know that there is a reason why that total is in here, and I'm not questioning it. This is what I was going to put in to finish it today, because I got a little change from a side hustle, and I thought, well, let me just finish the December one. But oh no, when I counted it up, it was all there, £780. So that means this has been completed. These challenges are from, oh, I can't remember her name, Zai her name is, but that's not her YouTube channel name. I've forgotten. I should have it somewhere here on one of these, but when I cut them down I cut off the name. But anyway, £780, and it's all completed. I will colour that in, and I'm so happy. I just wanted you to be witness to this. I am going to use this extra £45. What am I gonna use this for now? I fancy a couple of new Christmas PJs, and I think I might visit my Primark and see what they have got and take it from there. I like wearing Christmas pajamas coming up to this time. I've started already this month, so I think I might just get a couple new pairs and a couple extra Christmas socks. I like wearing the pajamas and the socks. I've got my slippers that I just wear for December month, so those are nice and clean and practically new still. But I just wanted to show you, I'm so happy, I really am. And that is it. That's my £780, and I'm so glad that I managed to complete it, because I did have a slight roughish time 6 weeks ago, about 6 weeks, yeah, about between 4 and 6 weeks ago, and I'm really happy. So that's it. I am finishing off this year with a bang. I really am. I'm going to colour this in, so I'll leave it there. How's your savings going anyway? I know it's drawing to an end for this year, and we've had our ups and downs throughout the year, but you know what? I know in my heart that you are all so grateful for the small mercies. We've worked hard and we've achieved. We really have. And I have been so blessed to have met you guys along the way, and it's only onwards and upwards now. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back very, very soon. Bye for now.